Rolling.
So we got the Tesla Cybertruck, the little Hot Wheels one, after 6 months, and it's awesome. It's okay on dirt, but it's definitely not a dirt mobile. It's real hard to control on like wood floors, but I found this carpet. Check it out. It goes just like a regular car, and you can control it much better. Whoa! So I say. Okay. This doesn't turn its wheels. It turns more like a bulldozer. But on this carpet, it really is controllable until you flip it. See, that's how it steers. So you gotta be careful. There we go. There, can you see it? You can do a donut, but I can also go, whoa! Oh. I'll come back towards you. That's on boost mode. Well, it has boost mode.
And also flip over on your foot mode.
But I have to say, for like 20 bucks, I'm super impressed. And this carpet, this old school, and I mean old school like we're in the school, this old school carpet really works. It's so flat. We can boost mode pretty far, I think. Yep, ooh, and I didn't flip it over. Big job. So this little thing, I think it's got one motor per wheel or some way to turn these back and forth, because these don't do anything and they don't turn. It just simply charges up from the controller and has a switch. So far we've used it for a couple weeks, and I have to say I'm super impressed. No moving parts, all plastic, you know, but I kept one for eBay in the box, baby, and one we'll play with till it breaks.